artificial intelligence is quietly reshaping our world, working behind the scenes to change how we live, work, and connect. From online shopping to medical diagnoses, AI is now a fundamental part of modern life. This revolution is happening right now, often in ways we barely notice. Now, AI is transforming one of our most vital systems, telecommunications. The global network that connects us all is growing more complex as our demand for connection explodes. AI is stepping in to manage this complexity, making our connections faster, more reliable, and more secure. Telecom generates massive amounts of data every second, far too much for humans to process. AI thrives in this environment, analyzing data in real time, learning how networks behave, and predicting what will happen next. This ability to anticipate and adapt is transforming the industry that keeps our world talking. As we explore this partnership, we'll see how AI is not just improving old systems, but creating new ways for us to communicate. It helps maintain the vast infrastructure of our digital lives, ensuring everything runs smoothly. This is a journey into the heart of our connected world, where machines help us stay closer, no matter the distance. The story of AI in telecom is one of innovation and new possibilities. Let's see how this technology is building the future of human connection. The telecommunications network is the nervous system of our modern world, connecting billions across the globe. Every call, message, or video travels through a maze of cables, towers, and satellites. An operation so vast it's almost invisible. But this system faces unprecedented challenges as our appetite for data grows. Streaming, video calls, and smart devices are straining the network's capacity. Telecom companies must manage this surge, ensuring stable, fast connections for all. The network's complexity is immense, millions of components, any of which can cause widespread issues if they fail. Traditionally, fixing problems was slow and reactive, often relying on customer complaints. In today's always connected world, that's no longer enough. The industry needs to predict and prevent issues before they happen. AI is stepping in, offering a way to orchestrate this global symphony of data. The old methods can't keep up. A new kind of intelligence is needed. AI is poised to keep our lines of communication open and reliable. AI is giving telecom networks a new kind of intelligence, creating self-healing systems. Instead of waiting for failures, AI constantly monitors network health, spotting subtle warning signs humans might miss. This predictive maintenance lets companies fix issues before they cause outages, reducing disruptions for everyone. AI can even suggest the best time for repairs, minimizing customer impact. When problems do occur, AI responds in milliseconds, rerouting data and balancing traffic automatically. This dynamic resource allocation keeps services smooth, often without anyone noticing a problem. Automation means fewer outages and less frustration, saving time and money. Engineers can now focus on improving network design and planning for the future. The network becomes a living system, able to look after itself. AI is transforming operations from reactive to proactive. Our digital lifeline is stronger and more dependable than ever. AI is revolutionizing how we interact with telecom providers, making customer service faster and more personal. Intelligent chatbots and virtual assistants now handle routine questions instantly, 24/7. These AI systems understand natural language and can solve a wide range of problems on their own. By managing simple requests, AI frees human agents to tackle complex issues that need empathy and expertise. AI also personalizes service, analyzing your history to anticipate your needs, like suggesting a better plan before you ask. This shift moves customer service from generic to truly individualized. Satisfied customers are more loyal, and the relationship becomes a supportive partnership. Getting help is now as easy as having a conversation. AI is making telecom service seamless and human-centric. Expanding a telecom network is complex and costly, but AI is making planning smarter and faster. AI analyzes massive datasets, population trends, new developments, and usage patterns to predict where new infrastructure is needed. It can simulate how new towers will affect coverage, helping engineers choose the best locations. AI also guides the rollout of new technologies like 5G, pinpointing where demand will be highest. This ensures investments are targeted, accelerating technology adoption and improving service. AI-powered planning means better coverage, faster speeds, and a more reliable network. Guesswork is replaced by data-driven decisions. The industry is not just keeping up with the future, it's designing it. As our lives move online, securing our communications is more critical than ever. Telecom networks are prime targets for fraud and cyber attacks, which are growing more sophisticated. AI acts as a vigilant digital guardian, detecting threats in real time. It learns normal user behavior and flags suspicious activity instantly, stopping fraud before damage is done. AI-powered security systems scan for new, unknown threats, identifying attacks traditional methods miss. This includes zero-day threats that haven't been seen before. Automated detection and response make networks more resilient and secure. Our data and communications are protected around the clock. As digital threats evolve, AI's role in cybersecurity becomes even more vital. It's the unseen protector of our connected world. AI is changing the nature of work in telecom, automating routine tasks once done by people. This shift frees workers to focus on creative problem-solving, innovation, and customer relationships. New roles are emerging: data scientists, AI ethicists, and trainers, blending technical and industry expertise. The workforce is evolving, with humans and AI collaborating to achieve more than ever before. The future is not about machines replacing people, but empowering them. With AI handling complexity, humans can drive progress and build stronger connections. Telecom's future is smarter, more reliable, and more human-centric. Our global connections are stronger, our data safer, and communication more seamless. This is the promise of human ingenuity and artificial intelligence working together. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because the future is intelligent and it's already here.